kakayanan na magsalita. At ganun din ang nangyari sa mga biktima ng Maguindanao Massacre. At lalo na sa 58 victim of the Maguindanao Massacre. In a perfect world, dapat wala tayo dito. Hindi dapat pinapalabas tong pelikula na to. Pero dahil ang daming injustices in the world at dahil sa brave people na nagkukwento at lumalaban pa rin para sa hustisya, Reyna Fe Castillo, para sa iyo to. Guys, gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo si Reyna Fe Castillo. Dahil sa kanyang katapangan at sa pag-inspire sa ginawa namin okay, last but not least, kasama ko sa pag-travel at ay, hindi ko to magagawa without you. And actually, andito lang ako kasi ang buong team na to, lahat ng mga tao na nakapaligid sa akin, binigyan nila ako ng pagmamahal at oras para magawa itong pelikula na to. Papakilala ko sa inyo ang aming Reyna Fe Castillo sa pelikula, Liza.
Grabe naman yun. Tumutunog ako. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Masaya akong makabalik sa Cinemalaya dahil ako ay isang laking Cinemalaya. So maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng oportunidad na maipalabas kami ngayong gabi at malamang ngayong gabi nyo lang kami mapapanood. Gusto ko rin pong i-acknowledge dahil napaka-importanting role din po ang kanyang ginampanan, Direk Ricky Dabao. Ito po ang siguro isa sa mga huling pelikulang natapos niya. Kasama ko rin po siya sa Sangre. Nagkasama rin kami dito at sa Sinagtala. At bago siya na maalam, ay talagang nakita ko kung gaano rin siya kasipag at katapang. So masaya rin po ako na napapaligiran ako ng mga matatapang na tao. Miss Nessa, grabe. Sir Ian, Sir Johnson, Miss Rose, and syempre kay Direk Carl. Alam niyo po pagkatapos ng premiere ng Rotterdam, medyo natakot po ako sa buhay ko, ano? Alam ko po na bilang Sangre Perena, wala po akong kinakatakutan, pero bilang Liza de Castro, marami pa rin po akong kinakatakutan. Pero kaninang hapon, nung nakausap ko po si Miss Reyna Fe, ang sabi niya, naubos na yung takot niya. At sana ganun din ako. Ito po ay para sa mga 58 na biktima ng Maguindanao Massacre. Hindi ko po masasabing enjoy the film. Pero sana po ay huwag natin kalimutan kung ano yung nangyari sa Maguindanao Massacre. At masaya po kami na kahit paano, kahit umuulan, nandito po kayo. Hindi po ito light na pelikula. So, pag uwi niyo po ay pagdasal natin na sana yung mga ganitong klaseng pangyayari hindi na maulit-ulit.
Sorry, may ano lang ako. Yung kasama ko with ilang months din, going through shots and archive footage. Ben Tol, sorry, baba ka dito. Benjamin Tolentino.
Nice one, Idol.
Sorry, may naiwan pa ba? Joseph, halika dito. Joseph.
Isa pa natin kasama sa Rotterdam.
Kasama na. Tatawagin na rin po namin on stage si Miss Reyna Fe Castillo.
Closer, please. Kay Ma'am Reyna. Pang-cleanse ng hangin.
Sorry, frame lang po namin kayo ha.
Ikaw, Kasha.
Yung naka-brown po na ano sa taas.
Ka-brown. Thank you, everyone.
fake lang siya pero nandito rin si Roy.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Tatlong version na yung napanood ko pero umiyak pa rin ako. Thank you for being here tonight. For many of you, 58 is the documentary, and for me, it is part of my life. It is my family story, and it is the story of my parent whose life was taken in the Maguindanao Massacre, along with the 57 others whose dreams, voices, and future were stolen too soon. People often remember the number 58. Put behind every number was a person. Someone who loved, worked hard, loved by their families, and had hopes for tomorrow. They were mothers, fathers, daughters like me, sons, journalists, lawyers, and ordinary people who simply deserve to come home. As the years pass, it becomes easier for the world to move on. But for the families left behind, there is no moving on. There is only learning how to carry the loss while continuing to hope that their lives will never be forgotten. That is why this film matters. It reminds us that justice is not only about court decisions. Justice is also remembering. It is about refusing to let the history fade into silence. It is about ensuring that future generations know what happened and why it should never happen again. To everyone who helped bring this film to life, thank you for treating our loved ones' stories with dignity, compassion. Your work has given victims another voice. And to everyone watching tonight, to all of you who's here tonight, thank you for choosing to listen. We hope you leave this theater not only to remember what happened, but also remembering the people behind the headlines. May this film honor the 58 lives we lost, strengthen our commitment to truth and justice, and remind us all that every life has a story worth protecting. Tonight, I am not here only as a daughter. I am here carrying the voice of those who can no longer speak. Thank you for keeping their memories alive. Glyza, thank you so much. You've done a great job. And thank you, Lessons, so far. It's been a tough way for us doing this, no? Kasi magkaiba yung mundo namin eh. Gabi ako, araw sila. So, there was a time that even Miss Glyza is still wearing the pajamas habang nag-uusap kami kasi kagigising lang niya. So, I really appreciate all of you for coming tonight. I really appreciate all the journalists, my lawyers. I know they're here. The Center Law lawyers, thank you so much. Thank you for hanggang ngayon hindi niyo ako iniwan. And maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you for ulit sa maraming salamat.
Okay, so naka-brown